tuni kiti ni khoi mo sa wa pathen ka thang bai ting le ông cái khom so biu le lao do zo se hai selin che bai kan bol be hai selin ga jip te hai selin hi adu linguistic farama ate ho kum upahon good morning good afternoon ti ngai lo hai selin ti le tha do pau thing se de jan pa do ja cha kan phun do in tin hai selin ga ti le phati ba hai selin pau mi pathin ni biu tha do pawa ko le masang izin gulu hi tha do pau hello ai ding ji chun sa kwam ke man chom cha le ka bu thun seng ka ti tiang le tha do pawa kan che de pu pan se ma ju prasa kan the ha to de respected man, we are truly fortunate to have you in our midst today on this beautiful day, a historic day for the Thados people, madam. Paochamtuh is idiom, or this attached in English version, madam. We also call it as proverb also. Attached is the Thado peoples have more than thousands of attached in this Thado language. But till today, we don't have any booklet regarding this attached in Thado dialect. Yes, we have some book, but there is no meaning. There is no clarification, madam, I should say. Thanks for coming. Thanks, we welcome you here. As my speech is also ready there, highlight some. We are truly fortunate to have you in our midst on this auspicious day. The Thado community have its distinct culture, custom, identity and dialect as well. Since time immemorial, our forefather practiced the use of Paochamtuh, it is in English in any occasion or non-occasional events, thereby enriching the literature. First, however, there were no instance of written records leading to its ambitious interpretation. After months and years, Paochamtuh, popularly known as Paochamtuh, have painstakingly penned down every Paochamtuh. Edits that are frequently, rarely giving clear explanation. With in tips of experience in this world, our forefather accumulated vast knowledge and aims to educate the youths and younger ones by inculcating moral and ethical values through the use of Paochamtuh, madam. Besides educating the dull mind, it also enriched the literature, which we are proud of possess now. Besides educating the dull mind, it is a maiden book of the Paochamtuh for the Thado community with the right interpretation and explanation. It is my core belief that many younger generations will benefit from this book. The author of this book, Paochamtuh, is in his later life of. However, his contribution in God ministry and the promotion of Thado literature does not subside. He is a leader, a mentor, and a living legend who is one among millions among the Thado community. Respected men, it may be your first time to integrate a Thado book from our own community, but I request you to kindly remember our Thado community and especially this family. Whether this family, whenever you are and wherever you go. May the Almighty bless you, madam. Thanks. With the permission of our chief guest, I would like to highlight some points in our Thado dialect. You are saying, Thado Pawa Gong Ho, you must have the Kapao, Sapao Sa to be the head in the Gong Ho, you may. Man had they done to Sapawa, had they done, not some Capitan. And Thado Pawa Chaka say no man, Lekhabu, no little so you away. Jamasa point comes like a way no man. Kupahe. Getting out of way, and put all I say I am like a boy. When I hold it down to get on low, do need bear not the packet dealer, and no one of mine. Thado linguistic phenomenon hi chi lekhabu ki bol thu do hi forward ki bol we ji chun chom chan se de ti ja chu kaung din ai le se chunga so sa pa ba ko lim na yong chun za tan le se chunga pa chat ho la ya mai kha ti chu ki ka se do nu mi kusung veng sung ai do in sung ke lai khom no ang jam kai po nai tha do linguistic forum hang pan jo pa nen ame long hai che yin in alung thing yo ni si na khang thai ka ti nom jo kum ama hi kum som ye thing dei tan thing yong thing tamai thei te a hin lo la yong le ka in tin a hin ama ta banga pau ngai lu na za la pan la hin ni ka he be se lo jo anom le ngai da mo ben la ama ta bang yong be se pon ateng le chilang jinghang lang chen lai ki tele 80 so ma sang ki tau te 93 ve la lon jang ating le talu long ku lo ya yong chu pathin na hin tong sa upa ahin pathin ging ahin pa chan um ta ahin le khabu thu ka pun ron seitan le khabu hi chi le khabu yong ki so do teng la khang tha hon kununga pau he be na hin nei gi tu nia ka se do no ma hin chi pau su chi le khabu sunga tu chen ho hi na sim ding wala he kha lo lo nan sim do di we hin izo wa sim ma jang koi thoi ja se so po na pa tin ai pham ami ding na pa thi nga po ki thwa yong chu ki sa sa yeng chu bi sa ki sim ke lo chu koi ma ki cho chi le ko yong chu ke tai ya chu ki chi sim ding wala ki ke lo tang tang he be diu ke ta jing na kai lo tam ta be be pau ki long tam ta za win ki cho wa na sim ding wala he lo tam ta he se we lo he be ke wo hi lo wa kununga yong tu na cha te him na ai lo cha pawon yong Paochamtuh ta bang bang ki wa yong le ha sa lo tai chi le khai la hi che the di we he ti chu kan phun do no min tin tu nin ki paw min ni sum ni te ki jung tu na za din ka pi nu om ta lo thensona ni tung ta ve chi hi in sum ni te ding a adi ka pu ding a ki het na hin tin chi le kha bu su ma yong ka pi nu tu sinong tam ta min ating lama hin ko tu sim pathe na to na Paochamtuh na na to tam ta yong za we ye chun aki zo wang chu aki zo lo wang ki si di aki zo wang ki si lo hin be de ti kan phon do hin den tu ni phat ki no chi mai ta bi tam se pung ting lo de ti le pha na yong ki ding ki je mai the ye chun chan chu ko len hin tin